There's no need today to ask if you're okay because I know you're not okay, especially after reminding you about this. I know this is an old video, but there's a reason for us to keep playing these videos, even if it's million times a day, to remind South Africans how dangerous these people are, to remind South Africans that these people are not here for peace, especially to remind those South Africans who are still stubborn buying from these people, ukuthi what you are buying with your hard-earned money, labantu bayithathaphi, bayenza kanjani. If you are still stubborn and buying from these people, it means there's no need for us to blame these people. There's something wrong with you. How can you continue to buy from these people after seeing all these videos on internet? No, guys. There's no excuse for you ukuthi ungayidefenda ukuthi udlise umndeni wakho udoti onje. You allow your children ukuthi badle udoti, you allow your family ukuthi idle udoti, then you come back and tell us ukuthi because when we are hlupheka. No, guys. Try another excuse. And then bese ubuzositshela ukuthi because when uyahlupheka nabo my friend are giving you izinto on credit. Yizinto lezi ukuthi udlise your innocent children udoti. Ngoba loyo doti nalowo poison bakunika ngesikweletu.
These people are selling water that we think it's purified, coming from the toilet in a tuck shop. Purified, so-called purified water coming from the toilet. Oh, Ayafa. Oh, this one, Nazareth. Oh, this thing is going. Oh, Jesus. These people. This is the water that they are selling for the people in the name of purified water. And they are selling to the communities. Our communities are just eating or drinking water that is coming from the toilet. These people. It is clear that we must get people from health to come and see this thing. Once again, I'm taking you through this water that is coming from the toilet. It is going like that from the toilet. Here are the filters. But the source of the water is the toilet. Filth. Our people are being made to drink filth that is coming from the toilet. This cannot be tolerated. Really, it cannot.
Who are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia?
Yes.
Okay, so what are you doing here?
I'm staying here, but I'm going to South Africa.
You're going to South Africa?
Yes.
Okay, so who brought you here?
Someone let me to stay here.
Okay.
Yes.
How many are you?
Me, we are six.
Six?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have papers to be here?
Papers?
Immigration papers?
Immigration papers?
Uh,
I have no immigration, another paper, but I am going to South Africa by bus.
you don't have
Yes.
passport? Do you have passport?
Passport? You have passport?
No passport.
No passport.
No passport. How old are you?
Me? I am 24 years old.
And your friends, what's the age range?
Me for
Age-
Huh?
me for 50 years.
23.
So these Ethiopians were caught in Kenya. They were there illegally. And they are telling Kenyan authorities that they are passing, they are going to South Africa. The reason why they cannot stay in Kenya because the government of Kenya will never allow them to do what you just saw. Ukuthi befide ama-Kenyans ngamanzi asetoilet, selling counterfeits to them, selling expired food to them. The government of Kenya will never allow that to happen. That is why you hear them telling the government authorities, telling the Kenyan authorities ukuthi no, we are passing, we are going to South Africa. Why? Because South Africa is a country where you can do as you wish. There's no government, there's no leadership in South Africa. That is why we are seeing them doing all these things here. I've never heard ukuthi these people are hijacking buildings in Kenya, in Tanzania, in Zimbabwe, in Nigeria, in anywhere except in South Africa. I've never heard ukuthi in Zimbabwe, in Botswana, in Swaziland, abantwana bayafa. Children are being unalived by poison coming from the tuck shops. I've never heard ukuthi Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, children are being unalived by poison bought from the foreign shop there. I've never heard ukuthi Nigerians are blocking children who are coming back from school in Namibia, in Swaziland, even in Lesotho, small kingdom like Lesotho and Swaziland. Only the government of South Africa is failing to enforce the laws of the country. Even small countries like Swaziland, Botswana, Lesotho, ama kingdoms are enforcing their laws there. Those governments are taking care of their countries. You will never hear ukuthi Swaziland, Botswana, or Lesotho, things like this are happening there. You will never. Even Abo Zamazama Laba from Lesotho, they are not doing all these things in Lesotho. They are only doing these things in South Africa because there's freedom in South Africa. You can unalive people in South Africa. You can sell whatever you want to sell in South Africa. You can hijack buildings. You can hijack even suburbs in South Africa. You are free to do as you wish, trafficking people. All these things happening in South Africa are not happening in our neighboring countries. And ask yourself why. Because there are laws there. The governments of those countries, they are taking care of their countries. They are securing their countries, even their borders. You cannot just walk into Zimbabwe. You cannot just walk into Swaziland. You cannot just walk into any other African countries. Even Nigeria, that millions of their citizens are here in South Africa, destroying South Africa, is not allowing anyone, any African to enter there illegally. You can never try that in these other African countries. But in South Africa, everything is okay. There's freedom there. And I will never forgive those people who are blaming South Africans to say you are fighting only Black Africans. Look at what Black Africans are doing. Especially Ethiopians, those people are ngathi demon. Those people behave ngathi demon. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you so much guys. Bye.